How blended learning is an answer to modern learning needs. Blended learning is the most viable training solution when it comes to delivering effective training in the modern-day training environment. With constant changes and new technology, information needs to be shared and updated regularly where one training format won't suffice, but with blended learning, various formats can be clubbed. Post-pandemic, working remotely have become a norm and organizations need to cater to the learning needs of hybrid workforce, and for this blended learning suits best to provide consistency in training. Trainings must be conducted regularly many a times due to high employee turnover or frequent new employees, and for this blended learning comes in handy to keep the employees current with latest updates and changes with various formats. With blended learning, learners experience modern learning trends with a dash of traditional techniques. So who wouldn't want to know the recipe for this effective corporate training?